Good morning. How are you? I am fine. I am Ataur Rahman, assistant teacher, English, Nishindara Fakiruddin School and College. Welcome to you to online class from Nishindara Fakiruddin School and College. Today we will discuss an unseen passage from the text. Here I write a pound of flesh. We know Shakespeare is the king of English literature. He has created many remarkable writing from his life. He writes comedy, tragedy, etc. A pound of flesh. Here we can find out some keyword: flesh, flesh, meat, meat that is taken from the corner of the heart. Different, not same. Different, not same. Foreign, over, see, oversee, style, personal, personal image, style, personal image. Now look at the text. I find a pound of flesh. Yes. I am discuss the summary of the text. If we go through the line to line, it takes many times. So, in this text, we find 4 characters. At first, the central character of the text is Bassanio and Portia. The next come Antonio and Shylock. It is text here Shakespeare present a anti-romantic comedy here. Bassanio feel loves in Portia, so he need few money for his wedding festivals. For these cases, he went to his close friend Antonio to borrow some money. Antonio and Bassanio are close friends. They go to Shylock, a Jew wealthy person for borrowing some money, because at the time all of the ships of Antonio were in the sea. When they faced to the Shylock for the money, Shylock take a chance to revenge with Antonio. We know here Antonio and Shylock are two persons of two religion. Here we must find a conflict between person and religion. Bassanio and Antonio sign a bond where he writes that if you fail to pay the money in the 3 months, I will cut a pound of flesh from your heart. At this time, Antonio's ships were in the sea. He failed to pay the money in the 3 times. So they come to a court for paying the money, and Shylock says, I demand, I need my money. Go through the lines. As shown the turn to sorry and the peace of the news. Here we find that the court start. Shylock demand his flesh, not money. Antonio agreed to pay him 10 times. In this moment, the main heroine of this story come, Portia. He pretend as a lawyer comes to the court. He says, Shylock to receive 10 times of money. By chance, Shylock demand again and again a pound of flesh. Portia says, if you need a pound of flesh from his heart, you cannot drop a drop of blood, because there is no mention of the blood. In these cases, Shylock failed to cut the flesh from his body or from his heart. According to this rule, all of his properties are go to her daughter Jessica, who makes a love with other person. This is the end of the story. Thank you. We will come to another subject in the next class. Thank you very much. এই অনেক লম্বা।